Understanding the phrase, summit. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English language and uncover the meaning and usage of the word, summit. If you've ever wondered about its significance or how to use it, stay tuned. When we talk about a summit, in its most literal sense, we refer to the highest point of something, especially the top of a mountain. Imagine climbing a mountain, and when you finally reach the top, you've arrived at the summit. Summit isn't just about mountains. In a broader sense, it can signify the peak or pinnacle of any situation, topic, or field. For instance, when someone says they're at the summit of their career, it means they're at the peak or at a very high point in their professional life. In the context of international relations, a summit refers to a meeting between heads of state or government, typically in a formal setting. Such meetings are usually conducted to discuss important issues, build relations, or finalize agreements. When you hear on the news about a peace summit or a global summit, it's referring to this kind of high-level meeting. 1. The climbers finally reached the summit of Mount Everest after a challenging journey. 2. The two leaders met at a summit in Paris to discuss trade agreements. 3. Achieving this award is the summit of my academic achievements. So, the next time you hear or read the word summit, you'll know it could be referring to the top of a mountain, the peak of a situation, or an important high-level meeting. We hope this video has helped you understand this versatile term better. Keep climbing those linguistic mountains, and see you at the next summit of learning.